Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing good. So in today's video I'm going to share with you another hack. If you find this video helpful or you find this video entertaining, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I shared with you 2 videos on how to use boob tape to lift your girls and another hack on how to use the same boob tapes for your tummy. And on my previous videos, like 2 of you asked if they can use the same tapes to lift their butt or they can use it on their fupa. So I tried it on my tummy. I didn't feel like it really worked, especially if you have a bigger tummy. I don't feel like the tapes will work or the hack will work for you on your tummy. I'm going to try the tapes today on my butt and let's see if it's gonna lift my butt. So this is the tape that I'm going to use. I've actually introduced this tape to you before, so if you haven't watched my previous videos, this is the tape that I'm going to use. It's a boob tape. You can get it from Amazon, you can get it from AliExpress. Just search boob tape and you'll get it. If you have never used this tape, of course you have to try it on your skin first just to see if it's gonna react to your skin, especially if your skin is sensitive. Just try this tape on a small part of your body. So this is the tape. So guys, before I try on the tapes, when it comes to losing weight, getting in shape, getting that figure, also what you eat matters. If you wear a shapewear, if you use the tapes and when you take the tapes off or you take the shapewears off, your body is going to go back to how it was before. So also what you eat matters, and if you work out, the better you're going to get permanent results. So these are just hacks, things that you just try or do to make you look sexy in your outfit, but then when you take them off, your body is going to go back to how it was before. Okay, so again guys, this is a tape that is used to lift your butt, and I'll put a small clip right here so that you guys can get what I'm talking about. Like, you just attach the tape on your skin and then you pull it up. But now in today's video I'm going to try a different method just to see if the tape is going to work on my butt. So I'm going to use this tape, and then you can get the exact tape, the instant butt lift, the instant tummy lift, or thigh lift, or arm lift on Amazon. I'll put the links in the description box down as well. You're supposed to attach the tape like right here, and then you pull it up so that it lifts your butt up. So I'm going to put this tape, but I'll put it inside. I'm just going to like show you guys on top of these leggings just for the sake of demonstrating. I want this video to be advertiser friendly, so I really won't show you too much. So you're supposed to attach the tape right here, there, attach it there, and then you have to rub it on your skin so that when you pull it up it doesn't like come out like there. And then you're going to pull it up so that it pushes your butt up, or it lifts your butt. And then remove the extra paper like that. So once you put it there, you're going to push it up like this, and then pull it up like that, and then attach it on your skin. Since the tapes are also used for like bigger girls, that means it might work even if you have a bigger butt. So you're going to attach it there and then just pull it up and then attach it on your skin. So you attach it on your skin and you pull it up, rub it for some few seconds, and then pull it up so that it lifts your butt. Push it there. So you attach it there and then you pull it up, and then do the same on this other side. Under the butt cheek, the same way we do with the boob tapes on our girls. I don't feel like this makes sense, but the one that I saw on this model, I really liked the idea. I feel like it's something that I can try, but well, I don't know guys, what do you think? I think like this one can really work because it's not really going to show in the outfit if you put it there and then you pull it up. So guys, just comment down below if you feel like this is a hack or it's work, if it's something that you can try or not. So let me try it in my outfit and let's see if it's really going to lift the bar. Guys, honestly I feel like this thing really worked. I didn't know like I was going to judge it like this, but I feel like it really worked, and it's not showing in my leggings. So this other side, I've used the longer one from here. I don't know if you guys can notice it, from here to here, it's right there, from here to here. And this other side, it's here, from here to there it is. So honestly, I feel like it has worked. That is just my honest opinion. But then now when I bend like this, I feel like it's still in that position. It's still where I attached it. It hasn't moved. Honestly guys, I don't know what you think about this, but I really love the idea behind this. But personally, I can't wear this. I prefer to just wear like a butt lifter instead of using the tapes, because of course a butt lifter is just like an underwear. Also, it can also kind of trains your butt, you know, to be in that shape, lifted, other than using these tapes. So guys, if you try this, just let us know in the comment section down below if it worked for you as well. Also, if you felt like you saw some difference, just comment down below. But personally, I can tell like my butt is lifted, honestly, and it's something that I can wear for some few hours without, you know, without complaining. Like, it's very, very comfortable. So guys, just comment below if you're gonna try this, if it worked for you, or if you think like, you know, this is just like work. This is not something that you can try. This is not something that someone should do. Someone also suggested to use it on her fupa, so let me just try it and see if it really works. Guys, what do you think about it on the fupa? Do you think like this is something that you could try? Do you think like this is something that you can use? Do you think like this is a hack or not? So I don't know how it looks. I don't know how it looks at the back. For the tummy, I really don't know about that. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. For the butt lift, honestly, I just prefer wearing a butt lifter instead of using the tapes. I still have the tapes on. They're very, very comfortable, by the way. You won't even feel like you have something on, but I still prefer putting on a butt lifter. And so that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Just comment down below if you feel like this is a hack or it's work, if it's something that you can try or not. If you found this video entertaining or if you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.